I'm Jason Martin, 20, Gentleman of the Philippines 2016, Gold Coast, Australia. And I'm advocating HIV awareness through health and wellness.
Hi, I'm Daniel Subagan Jr., 23, Gentleman of the Philippines, Silocanja, and I am advocating health awareness.
I am Johannes Dularisler Jr., 18, Gentleman of the Philippines, and I'm representing Germany. And my advocacy is all about inspiring the young generation to be more involved in sports in order for them to avoid drugs. I am Juan Abogado, 25, Gentleman of the Philippines, Camarines Sur. My advocacy is nurturing good values through God's words of wisdom.
Hi, Raven Panlican, 22, Gentleman of the Philippines, Cavite. My advocacy is educate the youth with the preservation and conservation of water resources. My name is Ronaldo Gonzalez, 19, Gentleman of the Philippines, Secure. And I'm here to advocate and promote our ecotourism and the majestic environment of our island that need to be preserved.
Hi, I am John Vincent Pua, 26 years old, your Gentleman of the Philippines, Quezon City. My advocacy is on public health and preventive medicine. I want to give emphasis on nutritional guidance, especially on children.
Hi, my name is Paul Renzo-Velo. Now I'm 23 years old, Gentleman of the Philippines, London. And my advocacy is a campaign for a healthier nation.
Hi, my name is Paul Benjamin Carolinas Abao Jr., 21 years old, Gentleman of the Philippines, Mandaue City, Cebu. And my advocacy is environmental awareness. Let's act now before it's too late.
Hi, I'm Andrea Biondo for Gentleman of the Philippines, South Italy. I want to be the voice for the young generation to promote our tourism, culture, and tradition.
Hi, I am Miguel Maliwat, 21 years old, Gentleman of the Philippines, San Fernando, Pampanga, and I am for fitness and health wellness.
Hi, I'm Ray Ferdinand Garcia, 19, Gentleman of the Philippines, Province of Isabela, and my advocacy is youth empowerment and education.
Hola, mi nombre es Señor Samuel Joshua Arnanobal, 20 años de edad, Gentleman of the Philippines, Zamboanga. And my advocacy is about climate change and risk reduction management. Hi, I'm Rodolfo Lada, 21, Gentleman of the Philippines, Legazpi City, Province of Albay. And I'm here to advocate zero casualties in times of calamities.
Hi, I am Michael Mendoza, 26, Gentleman of the Philippines, Sarangani, and my advocacy is youth affairs and education.
Hi, I am Justin Andrew Nadras, 24, Gentleman of the Philippines, Candelaria, Quezon. I advocate a strong campaign for violence against women and their children.
Hi, I'm Sonny Singh, Gentleman of the Philippines, Nueva Vizcaya, and I'm fighting for climate change.
Hi, this is Kian Sumagi, 21, Gentleman of the Philippines, San Pablo City, and I'm here to forge ahead for youth and education for a stronger nation.
I'm Julius Cesar Chu, 18, the Gentleman of the Philippines, General Santos City. And my advocacy is all about environmental preservation, restoration, and rehabilitation.
Hi, my name is Christian Lumasad, 25, the Gentleman of the Philippines, Cebu, and my advocacy is focusing for the youth affairs and education.
Hi, I am Manuel Alves, 18, Gentleman of the Philippines, Angeles City, Pampanga, and I am here for the advocacy of global warming.
I'm Rex Kalimbayan, 21, Gentleman of the Philippines of Tagbilaran City. I support Baba Reef preservation, therefore, I am an advocate of the environment.
I'm Claire Michael Abat Valderas, 21, Gentleman of the Philippines, Santiago City, Isabela, and I'm fighting for health awareness.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Ali Imran, 21, Gentleman of the Philippines, Luzon City, and my advocacy is about climate change adaptation.
I'm John Hernando Victorio, 19, Gentleman of the Philippines, Tarlac City, and I support Helping Hand advocacy.
Hello everyone, I'm Paulo Color Gorosco Sinda, 27, Gentleman of the Philippines, Bohol, and I'm proud to represent and share to the whole world my advocacy on elderly health and wellness. My name is John Andre Solution, 23 years old, Gentleman of the Philippines, Province of Leyte, an advocate of environmental awareness and preservation, and my birth from my 18 years old, Gentleman of the Philippines, North Italy. I want to be an example in promoting the importance of a healthy lifestyle
privileged youth.
I'm Rodan William Ayalde de Dios, 25 years old, and I'm representing Gentlemen of the Philippines City of Cabanatuan, and my advocacy is for fairness, awareness for climate change adaptation.